Hello students! In this video I want to show you how to connect with a live tutor on TutorMe, and you will quickly see how easy it is. So once you log in, you will see this green button that says connect with a live tutor, and after you click on it you will have to choose the subject that you want tutoring in. Now if you don't see the subject that you are looking for in this selection, all you have to do is type it in and we will most likely have it, as we provide tutoring in over 300 subjects. Now for my example, I am going to choose chemistry, and in this pop-up window I have to describe the problem or assignment that I want help in. You want to be as specific as possible so that when you are matched with a tutor, they know exactly how to help you. You can also upload an image or the doc of the assignment that you are working on, and this will provide even more context for your tutor. But uploading a file is optional. Just make sure that you provide a good description if you do not have a file available. Once you click submit, our AI-powered matching algorithm connects you with one of our thousands of verified tutors, usually in 30 seconds or less. After a tutor has claimed your lesson, you will enter into what is called a waiting room. Tutoring has not yet begun. Here, you can check out your tutor's credentials and even chat with them if you would like. If, for whatever reason, you feel that this tutor is not a good fit for you, you can cancel request and begin the search again. I think that Abigail is awesome, so I am going to enter lesson. In the lesson space, I have the option of turning on the audio or video. This is completely up to you, as some students prefer to chat with their tutors throughout their lessons, while others prefer to speak with them for a more interactive experience. In the lesson space, you can screen share, upload images, draw on the board, and even use a graphing calculator. You can also use the built-in scientific calculator, text editor, which is great for writing assignments, and code editor for coding projects. And if this is your first time on the platform, your tutor will be happy to walk you through all the different features that you need for an interactive session. One other thing that I wanted to show you is that if at any point you are having difficulties using our platform, whether they are technical issues, trouble finding a tutor, or questions about how any of this works, you can click on this blue chat icon and you will be connected with our customer service team, who will answer all your questions. Okay, so once you are done with the lesson, you simply click end and that's it. I hope that you are super excited to connect with one of our amazing tutors. Happy learning!